Guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your classroom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Just click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for classroom, or just click on search. Then here at classroom you just click on it. So then you come to next step here. You will find here for stop, just click on it. You click on OK. So then you go down here, just click on storage. Come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here. So then you come to next step here. So then here you search for classroom, it's going to show for you like this. You will find updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.